Hey and welcome. This is my quick little unboxing video for my Tote and Carry 3-piece purple Apollo 2 crocodile skin luggage set. See me here opening up the box really quickly here. I really like the fact that each piece came individually packaged and they were inside of their very own dust bag. Each one of the duffel bags did come with a strap with a very thick cushion for the shoulder. They have pockets on the outside as well as the inside. The backpack, which you'll see here next, has very thick straps. And they are very well padded. I love the hardware on each one of the pieces. I absolutely love the color. Purple is my favorite color. So yeah, wide and open in the book pack, large enough for my laptop, iPad, yeah, everything. I love it. So look forward to another video with the review, and thanks for watching. Take care.